Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you contact Kakaotalk customer service. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now select the top right settings icon. Click the third option, general settings. Now scroll here and select the second last option, customer service. And here you can see in the bottom right question with the pen icon, click on it. There are two options here, question and FAQ. Click on question. Now in the question option, you can just make an inquiry. In the top, here you can see general option, click on it and you can just select any option among these. And under that, here you can see enter the title option, click on it and you can just enter a title. And email to be answered, here you can just give your email and under that you can just add any file you want. After completing all these things, just click the yellow submit button and that is how you can contact Kakaotalk customer service. So guys, that's how you can contact Kakaotalk customer service. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.